Lakshmi Priya, student of ThinkJam. It is very glad to be part of this. This is best platform to grade up ourselves technically. The faculty also very friendly in ThinkJam. ThinkJam is the best way to improve our technical skills. As a ThinkJam student, I can handle with any concept in Python. Now I am going to give a brief note about OOPS in Python. Before going to the OOPS concept, we will see small history of Python. Python was introduced by Sir G.V. Rossum. It is a high-level programming language. It is an interpreted language. Python is applicable in different fields like game development, data science, artificial intelligence, web development, etc. It is a free, open source, portable, and easy to learn. Before going to the OOPS concept, why OOPS concept prefer mostly in Python or any programming language compared to other programming structures like POPs? Let's see the difference between OOPS and POP. First of all, we can see two types of programming approaches in programming language. They are procedural-oriented programming language and object-oriented programming system. Simply called as POP and OOP. OOPS prefers compared to POP due to its security, flexibility, and core reusability. The main difference between OOP and POP is OOP divides a program into smaller objects, whereas POP divides a program into smaller procedures or functions to arrive at the results of the problem. So the main reason behind the major using of OOPS compared to other programming structure POP is safe and secure compared to other programming structure. Now we can see the features of OOPS. Those are class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, data abstraction, polymorphism. These are the 6 features of OOPS that we can see in the OOPS concept. Here we go with a small brief note about each feature of OOPS concept. Basically, class is said to be it is a grouping of data and functions. By using the keyword class, we can declare the class. In class, we can call a variable using dot operator. A class is a user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. Class provide a means of bundling data and functionality together. That nothing but combination of functions and data is known as class. Creating a new class creates a new type of object, allowing a new instances of that type to be made. It is about class. Next we can see object. Everything is in Python treated as an object only. Every object belongs to its class. Nothing but class is a collection of objects. That's why we can say that every object belongs to its class. For example, an integer variable belongs to integer class. An object is a real life entity. So the next concept is inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but acquiring properties from a parent class to another class. Nothing but child class. Parent class is also called as a base class and child class is also called as a derived class. So we can see that types of inheritance are 4. They are single inheritance, multiple and multi-level and hierarchical. Coming to the next concept, data encapsulation. Encapsulation means bundling data and methods into a single unit is known as data encapsulation. For example, when you create a class, it means you are implementing an encapsulation. A class is an example of encapsulation as it binds all the data members and methods into a single unit. It is about data encapsulation. Next, data abstraction. Data abstraction means it can show only the useful information to the user. It provides only essential information to the outside world by hiding their background details to represent the needed information in program without presenting details. The purpose of the data abstraction is to expose only the essential elements. Next, polymorphism. Polymorphism defines the ability to take different forms. Polymorphism in Python allows us to define methods in the child class with the same name as defined in their parent class. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time and runtime polymorphism. Thank you. Do follow ThinkJam for more updates and details.